Hello, this is a small video how to replace a clutch basket from Yamaha Blaster year 2000. So this is the original price. I get this part, the basket, another side finished, more oil in the clutch. You don't need to modify nothing. It's really sturdy, well finished. I have the plate, I have the gasket, I have the rubber part, the small parts too, dampeners, and the three screws and the Allen wrench. So after, let me put it back. After you done grind the rivets over there, you remove the plate. You can see the dampers, rubber parts, the three parts. I lost one when I first disassembled it. You remove everything. Well, you see the gasket and the other rubber part. That's the other part, the new part. You put it back. Anyway, it's the same. So then you replace the rubber parts. You put it like this. You put the new rubber parts in the middle. It's like a puzzle, but it's fun. So then you put the new plate. This is backwards. The nuts, the screws, sorry. You tied it, you put the blue Loctite, sorry for the brand, to name the brand, and that's it. You're ready to go. You have a new clutch for less than $100. Thank you.